By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to harness these powerful technologies to create new revenue streams. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting world of AI agents and how you can leverage them to make money in today's digital economy. Artificial intelligence has evolved from being a buzzword to becoming a transformative force across industries. At its core, an AI agent is a program or system that performs tasks autonomously based on predefined rules, machine learning algorithms, or both. These agents are not just tools. They're your potential partners in generating income. So, why should you care about AI agents? The answer lies in their versatility. Whether it's automating repetitive work, analyzing massive datasets, or even creating personalized content for customers, AI agents have proven themselves invaluable. They save time, reduce errors, and scale operations like never before. From freelancers looking to boost productivity to entrepreneurs seeking innovative business models, there's something here for everyone. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to harness these powerful technologies to create new revenue streams. Let's start by defining what makes an AI agent unique. Unlike traditional software programs, AI agents learn over time. This means they adapt to changes in data patterns or user behavior without needing constant manual updates. For example, chatbots used in customer service evolved to handle more complex queries as they interact with users. Similarly, recommendation engines, like those used by Netflix or Amazon, are constantly refining suggestions based on user preferences. The key takeaway here is that AI agents aren't static. They grow smarter and more efficient as they process more information. And because they operate autonomously, they free up human resources for higher value activities. Imagine having an assistant who works 24/7 without breaks, never complains, and improves itself automatically. That's the power of AI agents. Now, let's dive deeper into specific ways you can monetize this technology. One of the most direct ways to make money with AI agents is by building products powered by artificial intelligence. Think about apps, platforms, or tools that solve real-world problems using AI capabilities. For instance, fitness enthusiasts might benefit from an app that uses AI to analyze workout routines and provide tailored advice. Or imagine a tool designed for small businesses to automate social media marketing campaigns, complete with intelligent scheduling and performance analytics. Building such products doesn't necessarily require advanced technical skills. Platforms like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and no-code solutions like Bubble allow anyone to experiment with AI development. You could partner with developers if coding isn't your forte, focusing instead on ideation and market research. Once your product is ready, you can sell it outright, offer subscriptions, or monetize through ads and affiliate partnerships. The possibilities are endless. Another approach is to focus on niche markets where competition is lower, but demand is high. For example, AI-driven educational tools for teachers, language translation services optimized for specific industries, or virtual interior design assistants for homeowners. Identifying underserved audiences ensures your product stands out. Plus, leveraging AI allows you to deliver superior value compared to non-AI alternatives. Remember, success in this space depends heavily on understanding your target audience. Conduct surveys, interviews, or pilot tests to gather feedback early. Use this input to refine your offering until it truly resonates with users. With persistence and creativity, building AI-powered products can become a lucrative venture. If creating your own AI product feels daunting, don't worry. You can still profit from AI expertise by offering consultancy services. Many companies recognize the benefits of integrating AI into their operations, but lack the knowledge or resources to do so effectively. As an AI consultant, you bridge this gap by helping businesses identify opportunities, implement solutions, and measure results. Your role may involve assessing existing systems, recommending appropriate AI tools, training staff, or overseeing deployment processes. Even better, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Courses and certifications from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Google Cloud equip you with foundational knowledge. Coupled with strong communication skills and industry experience, you'll soon attract clients eager to invest in AI transformation. To stand out in consultancy field, specialize in particular domain. For example, healthcare organizations might seek AI experts familiar with medical imaging analysis, while e-commerce brands prioritize inventory management optimization. Specialization enhances credibility and commands higher fees. Additionally, consider packaging your services into tiered offerings, basic assessments, comprehensive strategies, ongoing support, to cater to different budgets. Marketing your consultancy practice is crucial. Build a professional website showcasing case studies, publish thought leadership articles, and network actively within relevant communities. Over time, referrals and repeat business will sustain your growth. With dedication, AI consultancy can yield substantial returns while making a meaningful impact on client success. Freelancers often juggle multiple projects simultaneously, leaving little room for inefficiencies. Enter AI agents, a game changer for boosting productivity and expanding service portfolios. By incorporating AI tools into your workflow, you can complete tasks faster, deliver higher quality outputs, and take on more clients than ever before. Consider graphic designers using AI-powered design tools like Canva or Adobe Sensei to generate stunning visuals quickly. Writers benefit from grammar-checking assistants like Grammarly or AI content generators like Jasper. Programmers rely on GitHub Copilot to write code snippets autonomously. Each of these examples demonstrates how AI augments human effort rather than replacing it entirely. Beyond enhancing current workflows, AI opens doors to entirely new freelance niches. Data annotation specialists label datasets for machine learning projects, earning steady income despite minimal prior experience. Virtual assistants equipped with AI chatbots manage client communications effortlessly. Content creators use AI to produce videos, podcasts, or social media posts at scale. To maximize earnings, diversify your skill set and stay updated on emerging AI trends. Join online courses, attend webinars, and experiment with free trials of popular AI tools. Networking with fellow freelancers also helps uncover hidden opportunities. Ultimately, AI empowers freelancers to achieve greater freedom, flexibility, and financial security. For those inclined toward investment, AI startups present a golden opportunity. Venture capital firms poured billions into AI-related ventures last year alone, signaling immense confidence in the sector's future. While not every startup succeeds, those that do often deliver exponential returns. Investing in AI startups requires due diligence. Look for teams with strong technical backgrounds, clear problem-solving propositions, and scalable business models. Pay attention to sectors poised for disruption, such as healthcare, finance, logistics, and entertainment. Early-stage investments carry higher risks but offer potentially life-changing rewards. Alternatively, consider indirect exposure via publicly traded companies heavily invested in AI. Tech giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Alphabet dominate headlines for their groundbreaking innovations. Smaller firms specializing in robotics, autonomous vehicles, or cybersecurity also hold promise. Diversify your portfolio across multiple players mitigates risk, while capitalizing on broader AI adoption. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and AngelList enable smaller investors to participate in AI ventures too. Regardless of the method, remember that patience pays off. AI advancements unfold gradually, so long-term commitment reaps the best dividends. In conclusion, AI agents represent a revolutionary pathway to financial independence and professional fulfillment. Whether you choose to build AI-powered products, offer consultancy services, enhance freelancing careers, or invest in startups, the opportunities are vast and varied. What matters most is taking action now. Technology evolves rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve positions you for sustained success. Before wrapping up, I'd love to hear from you. Which idea resonated most? Are you already exploring any of these avenues? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited to engage with you further. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on leveraging cutting-edge tech for personal and professional growth. Until next time, keep innovating and thriving.